Okay, so step 9 is that we're going to code our sprite with a motion to the left arrow and to the right arrow using event blocks. So let's come to our code. Right now I'm on the backdrop. I can see I'm on my backdrop code. I'm going to go down here and click on my sprite. Okay. I should have one event right now, the yellow flag event, telling my sprite where she's to begin. I'm going to code 2 more events. I'm going to come here to the events blocks, the yellow events blocks. We want to use 2 of the same block. It is when the space key is pushed. So go ahead and grab 2 of those. And you can line them up just like this is how I would line them up across from each other. You're going to use that drop-down panel and choose when the right arrow is pressed and then when the left arrow is pressed. So they should be opposites, when the right arrow key is pressed, when the left arrow key is pressed, those 2 events. We're then going to go to the blue motion blocks. You're going to have your sprite move blank number of steps. So we're going to go ahead and use this move 10 steps. You can test that out and see what that does. Click the right arrow. So if you're like, I want her to move a little more at each time, you can change this number, 20. Let's see what happens when I hit that. I'm going to hit the start over, the flag. 20 looks like this. I might even maybe I want 30 steps. Maybe I want her to move a little more, so I can change that number again. Hit the green to get her back. I kind of like how much 30 steps moves her at a time. You can play around with the number you like. Now let's propose if you put the same block, hit the left arrow, move 30 steps. Okay. Well, now I hit the left arrow, and she's still moving to the right. So if you think about math, on a number line, moving to the left is what type of number? That's right. It's a negative number. So I need to type in negative 30. So now, after I've typed in negative 30 to the motion, I'm going to hit the left arrow, and she moves the opposite direction left. Okay. If I take her off the screen and I'm like, how do I get her back? I can do 2 things. I can hit the right arrow to bring her back, or I can hit the green flag to move her back to that original starting location. So at the end of this step, you should now have 3 events: the original starting position, the right arrow and left arrow events. Trying to make this bigger for you to see. Right and left. Okay. And your choice of steps positive and left should be steps negative. And that's where you should be currently. Okay. So make sure you have those events on your screen.